I get a message from Rock at Gymreapers, and he said, hey, you think you guys can make one of these? And it was an image of a Hercules Hold type machine. And I was like, yeah, we can do that. So I got with our engineer immediately, started working on a plan, started working on some designs. I sent him some images of kind of what Rock had sent me. And then we put it together. We showed the prints to Rock. He was all on board. And then we brought this thing to life fairly quick. I appreciate him coming to us and trusting us to be able to execute this. But it's been really cool to see this thing kind of come to life.